Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm going to show you how to make an airplane. And there's my mom.
You have to come up to the door.
There's my mom.
I knew you were there.
Say hi.
You did? Because when anything comes
Say
in
hi.
the whatever of the lights, it dingles.
Gigi and Papa. We're
Oh,
going
yeah, that's the new security system, huh?
We ain't got rid of security system.
Okay, here, Mom. Go
Very
be the
expensive
camera.
toys already.
Camera girl. Camera girl. Remember, hold it.
Don't need it.
You could press that.
All right on, and then we'll start. The animals didn't even come by.
Oh, okay.
I know. They came,
Well,
somebody
this-
came out.
To
In
the
the
line.
neighborhood though, somebody got it.
Trying to make it measured.
No,
It
it
could
had
be
nothing
right
to do
there.
with us.
Grease it. Maybe put your fingernails
So it couldn't
across.
see his face, I guess.
We don't know where that was. We don't know if it was in our neighborhood or not.
You do?
Could have been in that neighborhood over there, outside
Yes.
there. Or that one in the.
Well, it's in the neighborhood.
Did y'all ever see that video? It was like the doorbell camera or whatever caught on camera. This guy had went to go and knock or ring the bell or whatever, and a snake like comes at him.
No, I haven't seen that one. I like
It was
And then,
Might
guys,
get me one of those.
wait, it has to be on the thing.
Rylan. I know what I'm doing. I'm 31 years old.
Yeah, but you don't watch YouTube.
You didn't correct me that time.
Grease right there.
He usually's like, no, you're not. You're 33.
Look, guys, so see, it looks like a triangle right here, but it's this way, so down, down, down. Then do the same thing on this side.
Well, maybe you could get him a job doing that, Mom.
This
On
is my
YouTube.
job. This is actually my job.
I know it is.
I
But you could get a
did.
job on YouTube showing everybody how to do
Upside
that.
down triangle.
Give him a job, folding napkins.
Yeah.
And,
My
next
job
time.
is to be YouTuber. So and then done all the way to there. Just turn it over. And then Mom, it looks like the same thing, but
Yeah, I just feel like Papa knows a lot about airplanes, and I think that, do you think that a skinnier, pointier one in the front would go further?
Yeah,
yeah,
they
but
have less air
like that.
resistance.
And then
Right.
do that like that.
Well, he likes these because he can make those without all that trouble. He
Do
already
that.
knows
Okay,
those.
don't.
Still
Um,
knows. I
so it
know.
looks like
Cookie knows. what
this
he-
is one of the airplanes what I made, but there's gonna be another part to it. Just have to have some sisters. All you have to do, so make two lines that are about the same. Then fold it.
He's making the flaps in the back, the ones that, I guess the stabilizer.
So, yeah. What do you call them?
Go down the other side, guys.
You're the airplane man.
Fold it again, forward. And this is one of the airplanes, but I actually haven't tried to fly yet. Because this is my first one. Because I know how to make it by myself because I knew how to make the first one, which was this one, what I did on one of my videos. And all you have to do is add these, so yeah, that's the second one.
So why don't you give it a whirl that way?
Yeah, but I think it has to be kind of wind. I didn't show them, so. Maybe.
Just try it.
Okay. Oh, let me show them this one. This one I made too. It's pretty cool.
What do we call that one, the F-15?
Yeah, the F-15. And then, okay, let's try this one, guys. Whoa!
Whoa! That's the best you've done.
That one got me off of you.
Wow. Okay, guys. Want to see a second shot?
You remember you had to throw it straight out like you did that one.
But I didn't in this window.
It has lift.
Woo!
Guys. Yeah. Well,
You got one that works.
I think this is the airplane.
That's the best one yet.
Yeah.